Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an amazing property for sale. It is set on 1 acre of flat land and is located on the Little London to Negril Main Road and possesses all amenities you could desire. This two-story dream home has 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, front veranda, large back veranda, suitable for entertaining, covered rear patio, 2 dining rooms, living room, spacious kitchen, powder room, private balconies, double garage, a generator house in its own building, and a separate utility room large enough to do major woodwork or other household projects. The landscape is immaculate and decorated with ornamental trees to the front yard, and access to the property is by automatic gates. A variety of fruit trees are also dispersed to the rear of the property. There really could be nothing further to ask. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 85 million or US $552,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.